And I'm one number away from calling to you. I said I was through, but I'm dying inside, got my head in a mess. Girl, I confess I lied when I said I'm leaving and not coming back. Might be the whiskey or the midnight rain, but everywhere I go I see your face. In my brain dial it up, everything I wanna say, but I'm still one number away. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Plays Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play this song that was requested. This was actually one that I was not able to get to a while ago. But this was requested by Ashlyn Bueno, and since today, I believe today is her birthday, I wanted to do this one for her. So happy birthday, Ashlyn. She's one of the all-star subscribers for my channel, so I really appreciate it. If you guys have other requests, let me know and I'll do my best to get to them. Also, please hit like and subscribe so you get notified when I come up with new tutorials, okay? So you're going to put a capo on the 2nd fret, all right? And it's going to be in standard tuning, so pretty easy, all right? Now the song is pretty easy to play. There's a handful of chords you use, but the strumming pattern is the same throughout the song, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the chords that we're playing, and I'm going to show you how to play those chords, and then I'm also going to show you the strumming pattern, and I'm going to show you where you play the chords, okay? So the verses are very easy, okay? So because you just use E minor and A minor. So E minor, all right, just so you can see here. So I always use these two fingers, okay? But you can use these two if you want. Anyway, I put my middle finger, all right? I put it on the 2nd fret on the A string, and this is all in relation to the capo. And then you put your ring finger on the 2nd fret on the D string. Okay, that's E minor. All right, now A minor is very easy and similar. So what you do is you're going to pick those two fingers up and put them one set of strings lower, and then put your pointer finger on 2. So middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the B string, okay? All right, you're also going to use C. So C, ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the A string, middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the B string. You're also going to do D. Okay, so D, you're going to put your ring finger, goes on the 3rd fret on the B string. Then you put your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the little E string, and then your pointer finger, all right, goes like that. Your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, and then I mute the big E string with my thumb just by touching it with my thumb, okay? Then you're also going to do G. Now I recommend doing this G because it's very easy to go from D like that to just keeping your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string, and then you put your pinky, all right, goes on the 3rd fret on the little E string, your middle finger goes on the 3rd fret on the big E string, and then your pointer finger goes on the A string on the 2nd fret. Okay, you can play it this way because you will go from C to G, so that's easy. But I think in this song it's just easier for you beginners to go from G like that to D. I think that's an easier transition, okay? So, but feel free to do what you want, all right? So let's get into this. All right, so what you're gonna do for the beginning is you're gonna start with E minor and A minor. That's how the verses go, okay? So you do so I'm like kind of humming the lead, okay? Okay, so you're doing down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so for the intro part, you're gonna play E minor, A minor. You're gonna play that twice with no lyrics, okay? And I would play that louder than you play the verses. So. So notice I'm playing a little bit louder, and then when you go to the actual verses, you're gonna play it softer, okay? So then you're gonna do, so you still play the same strumming pattern for the verses, but you're gonna do it softer. Are you sitting at home all alone trying to fall asleep? Okay, so notice how much softer that is. All right, so when you do it, you're gonna do E minor on R. Are you sitting at home all alone trying to fall is A minor, fall asleep, then E minor, right before you do R. Are you staring a hole at your phone praying that is A minor, that it rings. Then you go to A minor before you do R again. Are you watching a movie that you've seen 1,000? Okay, 1,000 is A minor, 1,000 times. Then E minor. Okay, before maybe. Maybe playing somewhere, getting lost in your favorite is A minor, favorite lines. Well, if you're anything, okay, then so when you do anything, this is like the pre-chorus, you go to C, okay? Well, if you're anything like me, you just might be doing, okay, doing is D, doing whatever it takes to drown out the noise. So for the pre-chorus part, you're just doing C, D, C, D. Noise again is C, so noise. But I just want to hear your voice. Okay, so I would do that. I would do a single strum and let it ring. Okay, hear your voice. I'm one number. Okay, and then you're going to go into the chorus. All right, so let me make this so you can see my strumming a little bit better on here. Okay, so when you do this, you're going to start with G in the chorus. And I'm one number. Okay, so number is where you're going to start hitting G. All right, so you're going to start with G. So you're going to do G, D, E minor, C, and that's a very common chord progression in country and in all music, really. But so you're going to do I'm one number. Number is where you play G. Number away from calling to you. And on the chorus, you're going to want to play it louder than the verses. You're going to want to play it like as loud as you did the intro. Okay. So you're going to do, and I'm one number away from calling to you. I said I was through. After through, you're going to do D, okay? Through, but I'm dying. Inside, got my head is E minor. Head in a mess. Girl, I confess, I lied when I said. So after said, you do C. Said, I'm leaving and not coming back. Okay, at the end of coming back, you're going to do G. Might be the whiskey or the midnight rain. So after rain, you do D. But everywhere I go, I see your face in. Okay, in is E minor. In my brain, dialing up everything I want to say. Say is C. Say. But I'm still, okay, still is D. Still one number away. So after you do away, the end of away, you're going to go right into what you were doing, like for the verses. You're just going to do E minor, A minor, once with no lyrics, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna play the chorus one time through, and I'm just gonna sing it and play it, and just watch my hands so you can see. All right. And I'm one number away from calling to you. I said I was through, but I'm dying. Inside, got my head in a mess. Girl, I confess, I lied when I said I'm leaving and not coming back. Might be the whiskey or the midnight rain. But everywhere I go, I see your face. In my brain, dialing up everything I want to say. But I'm still one number away. Are you stuck at a red light with a Marlboro light on your lips? See, so then you do that once, E minor, and then go through it. Okay, second verse is the same as the first one. Second pre-chorus is the same, second chorus is the same, and then the bridge, all right, it's going to be a little bit different. So in the bridge, you do, so you're going to go straight from the second chorus, all right? I'm still one number away. Will you pick up when I... So you just go right into E minor. Will you pick up when I call? Okay, so E minor is on will, and then call, you go to D. Call, just forget we loved it all. It all is where you do C. Oh, we don't have to talk, I just want to hear your voice. So here is D. Hear your voice. I'm one number. So for this chorus, what I would do is for the first chord progression, I would actually just play the... I would just do single strums on the chords. And I'm one number away from calling to you. I said I was through. I'm dying. Inside, got my head in a mess. Girl, I confess I lied when I said I'm leaving and not coming back. Might be the whiskey or the mid. See, and then when you do might be the whiskey, you're gonna go into it harder. All right, and do it just like you were before. Might be the whiskey or the midnight rain, but everywhere I go I see your face. Okay, so you're gonna play it like louder and stuff. That's probably the time where I would get the loudest with it. All right. So that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been a lot of fun, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.